Good morning. Happy, what is it? It's Thursday, the 7th. My vlogs are going to be a day ahead. No, behind. I don't know at this point. But anyway, a day 7 video has already been posted. I am just coming on because I'm exhausted. My kids drove me crazy this morning. I didn't get to put myself together in the way that I would have liked to. So what I'm about to do is, I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I'm about to go run to Target. I have 0 scrunchies, so my hair is tied up with a pen. That should tell you what kind of morning I had. Hair is tied up with a pen. I'm about to go run to Target because I just feel like a bum today. All right, so I finished up my only client for today. I'm about to get my stuff together. I kind of wanted to put some makeup on, but I think I'm coming back here anyway, so I could do that then. I'm about to go to this laundromat and do what I've been saying I'm gonna do, and get these clothes clean in the back of my truck and folded and all of that good stuff. So alright, so clothes are in the wash. I gotta come back in about 30 minutes. It's 10:23 now. I'm trying to think of what I can do. You know what? I'm gonna check my mailbox because it's gonna take some time for my mail to be rerouted, and I ended up having it just rerouted to my job because I don't want to keep having to change it, and that way with it coming to my job, once I buy the house, I'll still have, like, it's not a rush for me to change it again. I don't mind if it continues to go to my job until I figure out when I want to change it to my new home address. So yeah, so you know what, I'm gonna go check my mail really quick, see what's going on over there. I do have to pick up something from my uncle's house, so I might also grab that, but I gotta see if there's even gonna be room in my car once I put the laundry back in. So we'll see. Anybody realize that you have a lot of freaking clothes? And I've gotten rid of so much, and I still have a lot of clothes, but a lot of them don't fit. So I think I'll be getting rid of more because like I said, I keep losing weight. So I'm gonna have to get rid of even more that I'm realizing is not fitting. So yeah. The mail, and of course it was all freaking junk mail, except for one thing that my son ordered, and they've been ordering their own things now, you know, from like Shein or something small like that. So I'm just interested in seeing what the hell he ordered. So I decided to just pull back up at the laundromat while my clothes are finishing. They probably got another 15 minutes to wash, and I am going to sit here and look through. Basically what I'm gonna do is sit here and budget, look over my finances. I'm also doing this savings challenge this month. Actually, I have to look at that because I have to put some more money in my little cash envelope system. The cash envelopes really work, you guys. Maybe I'll go into more depth about that once I get back to the studio. But the cash envelopes, if you're disciplined or you're trying to be better disciplined, that's a good way to work through that. And I'm a paper and pen type of girl, so like I always have a notebook and a pen, and I like to jot things down, and I always have my planner, a physical planner. I can't do the digital planners. Maybe it's because I'm a millennial. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to calling those places right now, and I'll be back. All right, so as you can see, I'm done with the laundry. I put my work laundry away, and I put my studio laundry away, and now I'm about to sit down and answer some text messages from my work phone number, check my voicemails, and probably check my emails. I have about 2 hours before I have to go pick my kids up from school, and I have parent-teacher conferences today, so that'll be fun and interesting. I'm kind of tired, and I have a sinus headache, so this, I think, is going to be the end of the vlog for Vlogmas Day 8. So, you guys, I made it a full week because, yeah, the video I uploaded today was day 7. So, I made it a full week of Vlogmas so far, and I'm proud of myself for that. I gotta figure out, like, what else I'm going to show you guys, or what else I'm going to do. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions or anything like that, please leave them down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 9.